Hi, in the previous videos on binomial expansion, we have seen how do we expand a binomial using the Pascal's triangle. But the Pascal's triangle can only be used when the powers of the binomial are small numbers. If the power is a very big number, then in that case we use the combination formulae to expand a binomial. The combination formulae uses factorial of a number. So to understand the combination formulae, first we need to know what do we mean by factorial of a number. Factorial of any given number is product of all the numbers starting from 1 to the number whose factorial we want to find out. Let us see what do we mean by this statement. Factorial of a given number, say the number is say 5 and we want to find the factorial of 5. This exclamation mark represents the factorial. This is factorial. So factorial 5 is product of all the numbers starting from 1 to the number whose factorial is to be determined. So from 1 you find the product of all the numbers to the number whose factorial has to be determined. So factorial 5 is 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times 5, or we can say that from that number onwards we multiply all the numbers in the descending order till 1. Okay, similarly if we give you factorial 2, then factorial 2 will be 2 times 1. Okay, factorial 3 will be 3 times 2 times 1. And similarly, we can write factorial n as from n will keep reducing by 1 and so on till we reach a 1. I hope the definition of factorial of a number is clear to everyone. So please note an important point here that factorial of 0 is always 1. And why is factorial of 0 1? We will be seeing that in the next video. So as of now, the definition of factorial is clear to everyone. Now let us see some operations on factorial. So factorial 3 plus factorial 2. Please remember, factorial 3 plus factorial 2 is not equal to factorial 5. Okay, how do we solve it? We have to first find the value of factorial 3, which is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. And then we find the value of factorial 2, which is 2 times 1, which is 2. And 6 plus 2 gives us an 8. So factorial 3 plus factorial 2 gives an 8. Similarly, if we have to do factorial 3 times factorial 2, then please note it is not equal to 6 factorial. Factorial 3 as done in the previous question is 6, factorial 2 is 2 and factorial 3 times factorial 2 is 12. Suppose we have to divide factorial 4 by factorial 2. So this will be factorial 4 is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Factorial 2 is 2 times 1. Cancel out the common factors. We are left with 4 times 3, which is 12. Okay, so I hope how to perform operations on factorials is clear to everyone. In the next video, we will see why factorial 0 is 1. Okay, and then we will see the combination formula. If you have any doubts regarding factorials, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.